Hello everyone, and welcome. In this session, we will cover how to get Dynamo and determine which version you should use. If you are using Revit 2020 or later, the latest version of Dynamo will be integrated with your Revit installation. Therefore, if a new version of Dynamo is released, an update will be available. You can access your Autodesk account to update your products. However, if you are using earlier version of Revit, you must select a compatible version of Dynamo to download, based on your Revit version as shown in the following table. To do that, you shall visit the Dynamo Builds website, where all the stable Dynamo versions are available to download for free. Generally, Dynamo scripts created in earlier versions of Dynamo work correctly in the later ones. And I will be using Revit 2020, which has the same functions available in all later versions. This is an example of error caused by using Revit 2020 version to run a script from 2024 Revit version. To solve it, all you have to do is to search for the node again and replace it. To find Dynamo in Revit, go to the Manage tab. Then you will find the Dynamo button alongside the Dynamo player. See you in the next session. Thank you.